What advice do you have to give other dietitians or healthcare professionals looking to fully digitize their practice?
So I would say just do it. Be like Nike and just do it. And also don't make it in Afrikaans uitgereik, nee. So like if you decide you want to do it, I remember I moved over on the 13th of November and I moved over the whole practice in one day, nee. So that's what I would say. Like set out a whole week, make sure that you do it, and don't just start with only the online bookings and only the clinical notes, and I'll still use this system for that. Use one system that everything is in. I even moved my accounting over from QuickBooks also over to the same system I use for my bookings. Um, and my accountant didn't know that system. So I had to make sure she's also on board. And I had meetings with the system and my accountant before I moved over so that I'm sure everyone is on board, everyone is on the same page. So
Mm.
I would say just do it, but do your homework. So do different demos with different companies. Like, I mean, there's many companies out there. All of them are great. I'm not saying one is better than the other. Find a company that you feel comfortable with. Pick a system and you stick to that one system because that's
Mm.
ultimately what you want. You just want one system and not many that needs to, like, work with each